dividing complex number, 3 plus 2i over 4 minus 3i. So, yung I, imaginary number. So, yung real part, imaginary part. So, sa pag-divide nito, i-multiply natin sila sa conjugate ng denominator. So, yung conjugate ng denominator ay, so, di ba, 4 minus 3i yung denominator. So, ang conjugate nito is 4 plus 3i. O yung kabaliktaran lang yan, no? 4 plus 3i. Ayan. So, then, FOIL method na tayo. 3 times 4 is 12. And 3 times 3i equals 9i. 2i times 4 equals 8i. 2i times 3i equals 6i squared over, so 4 times 4 16, 4 times 3i 12i, negative 3 times 4 is negative 12i, negative 3i times 3i is negative 9i squared. Ayan, so combine like terms. So magkaroon tayo ng 12, 9i plus 8i equals to 17i. And then, yung i squared ay equivalent siya sa negative 1 yung i squared. Over. So, ito, 16, 12i minus 12i, 0. Huwag na natin isulat kasi 0 na. Then, negative 9. So, yung i squared is equivalent to negative 1. So, continue natin. So, 6 times negative 1, meron tayong 12 plus 17i minus 6. Kasi 6 times negative 1. Over 16. So, negative 9 times negative 1 is equal to positive 9. 12. So, combine like terms. 12 minus 6 is equal to 6 plus 17i. And 16 plus 9 is equal to 25. So, yung sagot natin in standard form is 6 over 25 plus 17i over 25. So, yan ang sagot.